Yeah, Sam did a lot of it. You know, Margaret, I used to drop nose hair burning ass bombs, but not anymore.
Not anymore? But how?
With these Glade plug-ups.
Glade plug-ups? Huh? What are those?
Damn it, Margaret. Calm the fuck down. Glade plug-ups are the best solution for nasty-smelling flatulence. You just shove a Glade plug-up into your sphincter. Then the offending odor escaping your ass is transformed into an array of different aromas. There's Fruit Blast. There's After the Rain. And the one I'm using now, Poopery.
You're right. That does smell terrific. I think I have a new best friend.
Glade plug-ups, a refreshing blast right out of your ass.